that's one of the marks of a Christian? The world is restless, unsatisfied, always wanting more. A Christian, Christ, well, there's a poem. In the heart of London city, midst the dwellings of the poor, these bright golden words were spoken. I have Christ, what want I more? Spoken by a woman lying on the garret floor, having not one earth's possession. I have Christ, what want I more? It's a story about a Salvation Army person that went to lead a person in a ghetto to the Lord, and that person turned out they were living in the ghetto, but they knew Christ. And they said, it's okay that I live in this filthy, dirty place. It's okay that I'm dying of, this rheumatic fever. It's okay because I have Christ. See, that's the supernatural work of salvation. Christ gives satisfying power. That's what it says in John 7. Remember, Jesus said, all who come to me, out of them will flow rivers of living water. This he spoke of the Holy Spirit that was given. If you have the Holy Spirit in you, the Holy Spirit can't stay without overflowing your life. That's why that couple sat behind the tree I told you about yesterday and watched us for 2 hours during dinner because they saw the overflow of the Holy Spirit. And they wanted to know how they could have that joy.